Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to get rid of these old foggy headlights. They're starting to suck at night. Don't really care for them, harder to see, so I got new headlights for it and we're going to put them in. Alright, we got our new Alpharex Nova series headlights. These lights were pretty much designed from the 5th gen trucks. Now it does come with this wiring harness right here. This wiring harness is for the daytime driving lights. I'm not going to put this in because I don't know if it's going to do any damage to our TIPM, which is a totally integrated power module. The TIPMs on these trucks are very sensitive and I don't want to do anything to mess that up. That costs a lot of money to fix, but we may check into that, you know, putting this in later down the road. I'm going to do some research online and see if anybody's had any problems with, you know, burning or melting anything in their TIPMs or whatever. But all in all, these are some nice headlights and I can't wait to get them in the truck, so let's get to it. All right, you're gonna start out and go underneath your fender here. There's a plug right here. This goes to the back of your headlights. Pull this plug. All right, you're gonna need an extension and a 10mm. I don't know if you can see in there or not, right there. Yeah, you can see. There's the nut. Just break that loose and take it off. Actually, that one wasn't tight. And I can't hold the camera and show you, but what I'll do is I'll just put the socket extension back on that nut and just run a screwdriver through this crack, just help pull it off so it doesn't fall off. By the way, all these are 10mm, even the one on the back side. So we'll take this here off. That's also a torque bit. I think it's a T30, so if you'd rather use them, you can. Take this other one here off. Alright, next, just grab it. Get in behind there with your fingers if you can. Just pull straight out. It can be a little aggravating sometimes. Alright. Unplug our headlight. Pull this red tab right here up. Unplug it. Here, let's do this. Let's just take the bulb out. That way I can set the headlight off to the side. Take a flathead screwdriver. If you look right there, you just push that tab in and just work it out. Go to the other side, do that same thing. Just push outwards enough to get that tab. And it should. Nothing right there, ain't got it past the lip yet. There we are. Crap. Well, that broke. You'll have that. Oh well. I ain't gonna fool with fixing that. Maybe that one right there will hold it on. It happens with age. Got the headlight here. Just want to take your plug in. Just plug it in right here. Now this is hooked to the actual headlight, and these are the extra wires for that harness we were talking about. I'm not gonna, like I said, we're not gonna hook them wires up. So I just put some electrical tape around it just to kind of keep them nice and neat. But plug this in here. And let's see, let me flip it around. It actually goes like this. And got to spin it there around. Yep. Plug this harness here in. Now I got the headlight sitting on the bumper, which is not going to hurt it because I got that plastic I left on there. So leave your plastic on there while you're putting these in. Plug it there in. You'll see an arrow here and an arrow there. Which, I mean, if you look at the male and female ends of the connectors, you're going to know which way they go to start with. We'll plug this sucker right here in. Don't forget to push your red tab back down to lock it in place. And set it up in there. Push plastic back just enough where I ain't digging for it. And push it in place. There we are. Make sure everything's in there. Yep. Slide our 10mm screws back in. Get enough to hold it in there so I can let go of this light. Alright, slide your nut back in your socket there, and you're going to ease it through carefully. Screw it back on. Alright, get that snug down. We're done. Nope, not done yet. Psych. Don't forget to put that rubber garment there back in. Keep the mud and water and stuff out from there. Like it's really gonna keep water out, but you know, mud anyway. All right, let's pull the plastic off. Man, Yep, that looks way better. Definitely. And it ain't broke. Look at there. It's nice to not have a jiggling headlight. Driver's side. This definitely looks way better with the grill on there. It goes perfect with them headlights. Looks like a totally different truck. Yeah, definitely loving this. All right, it's finally dark, so let's check these lights out. We're going to start out by hitting the flashers. Then I'll turn on the parking lights. We'll hit the low beams. And then we'll hit the high beams. And I'm going to do this from 2 different camera angles. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.